Hello and welcome. Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, wanting to share with you today this brand new Land Rover Range Rover, available here in the highly equipped HSE trim and powered by a 3-litre D300 engine with the exterior painted in glorious Hakuba silver metallic colour. Benefiting from the likes of full LED headlights as well as these large 22-inch silver alloy wheels, this car is definitely guaranteed to turn heads. Distinctively positioned rear LED taillights are on offer, whilst inside the cabin, ebony black leather will offer seating for up to 3 in the back, as well as offer their very own 2-zone climate control. Gloss black accents and stylish interior will be further complemented by a sliding panoramic roof, as well as 20-way heated and ventilated electric front seats. The driver can further enjoy this heated leather-up multifunction steering wheel, which operates the IDD interactive drive display and even offers head-up display HUD functionality. In the center console, PV Pro infotainment touchscreen will come packed full of entertainment features such as built-in satellite navigation with live traffic updates, Bluetooth telephony for your device, as well as FM and DAB digital radio. Whilst easy controls for the heated and cooled seats are also available, along with easy climate control. Various cabin lighting is available to really set the mood inside the cabin and looks incredibly great in the evening. Other great features can also be found, and to help you park, there is a 3D surround camera system on offer, offering wide-angle lens view or near side when parking up to a curb. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control can also be further found in the front, along with an auto-dimming rear view mirror with a built-in camera function and easy controls for the sliding panel.